anak? Anong tawag dun, Daddy?
Sa Bugilan.
Dubai.
Ay, Dubai.
Yeah, we're in Dubai. Drawing the blackness on the screen. Daddy, put it a little bit louder.
Hi, Magami. So ngayon, Friday ngayon, and 7:33, papunta kami ng Dubai.
You know what doing this means?
It's what time for me to
Papunta kami ng Dubai ngayon. Kasi meron kami binook na cruise. Yung Dubai to cruise. Sa may Dubai Marina. So sa West Bay, doon kami, West Bay, Dubai, doon kami pupunta. Tapos doon yung kasi yung pick up point. Tapos from there, sasakay na kami nung cruise. Tapos for 2 hours yun. For 2 hours. Ayan na. Sige. See you later.
From white to yellow.
Hi mga mi. So, after 30 minutes ng biyahe namin is nasa na kami ng Dubai. Pero kakalagpas lang namin sa last exit. So, konting na lang, Daddy. Ilang minuto pa ang ating biyahe?
23 minutes.
23 minutes pa yung biyahe namin bago kami makadating doon sa namin. Tawag doon, meeting point. Yan. Ay, yung last exit. Ilang beses na din kami nakapunta doon, pero puro kainan lang din kasi yun. Kaya hindi na kami nag-stop.
Exit right. Several speed bumps ahead.
No, not
In 600 meters, keep right.
You can like fun vanilla, but I don't like fun vanilla. So it's only
It's going to kill.
Oh my gosh.
Ayun na yata eh.
In
Ayun oh.
200 meters,
Yeah.
turn
Lapit
right
na.
onto Ridge.
Kaya saan tayo magpa-park? Alam mo na yun, di ba? Yung sa sinasabi nila, yung may Choi Trams. Ayan, mga mi. Nandito na kami sa Dubai. Sa West Bay kami. Nasa West Bay. So, hahanapin muna namin yung saan ba yun? Yung papunta dun sa boat. Dun sa cruise. Ayan, kasama namin yung mga bata. Hi! Lakad-lakad muna tayo. Ang ganda dito.
It's a Tesla, mommy, your dream car.
Where? Oh, wow. That's not my dream car. It's Daddy's dream car.
Why? because he doesn't need to drive anymore and there's an autopilot.
Yes. But the main reason is you don't need a diesel or gas in it. You just need to charge it.
Electricity.
Yeah.
It's like
you,
the iPad, and then Daddy can watch in there
Yeah,
too.
you just need to charge it for 1 hour and then it could go 400 kilometers already.
Wow, that's a very long.
Very far.
The person who made Tesla, that means making you Tesla.
Who
That
made it? Do you know who made it?
Elon Musk.
Yes.
No,
Elon
no,
Musk.
no. I don't think it's Elon Musk. I think it's Zuckerberg.
Maybe it's me.
Hindi.
It's me. It's me. Huh? Okay.
I think I know who's it now.
Yeah, it's me.
Maglayo.
Okay lang.
May medyo si mami. Paano nga makakapag-ano?
Oo. Ay, ano ba yan, Basti? Ayan. Lakad tayo dito sa ano nila. Ayan. Ayan na. Yay!
Just for this? Are you sure
Ang ganda
about
mga
it?
Mio. Ang ganda.
Sa left. Inuman pala rito.
Shadow Vanilla.
Oh, ayun siya mami, Alexandra.
Oo, ang ganda. Ganda ng pagkukruise natin, Daddy. Bago sa paningin namin to, mga Mi. Ay, ang ganda. Pero, saan ang entrance natin nun? Ayun, nandun. Tapos, basahin mo yung ano niya, yung sinabi niya na may sasabihin ka daw dun sa ano.
Maganda.
Sa Facebook, yung mahabang mahaba na last na sinend ko sa'yo. Malapit na kami mga Mi sa sa boat. Medyo excited na kami. Ang ganda nung ang ganda nung lugar mga Mi. Ganda.
I wish we could be out.
Gawin na.
Tanggalin na natin ang ating
Ashton, look at dirt. Ashton, look at dirt. Tama.
Wait daw, sabi ni Kuya. Ay, Alexandra pala siya.
Alexandra? Yeah, you can walk.
Is that the one we're going at? Oh, I'm so scared. Daddy,
Hello.
it's a lot gooder than I expected.
Whoa! Chef! What's up, Chef? Tingnan mo yung dinding na yun, butas.
Ayaw
May
nga,
address.
oo.
That's very disappointing. I want more.
Hi.
Mommy, I want more.
Want more? You can get. It's unlimited, anak.
Yeah.
Dapat pala maaga ka talaga sa ganito.
Mm.
Para makakuha mo yung
Seat.
Pero okay lang. Kasi family naman tayo.
Parang pandalawahan lang yata yung dito eh. Ay, hindi.
You can get unlimited apple juice. The
Nandito na pala
unlimited
kami mga
apple
humi,
juice.
hindi ko pala kayo na-update. So, nakaakyat na kami sa boat. Tapos, ayan sila. Pwede na ba kumain? Hindi pa, no?
I'm sweating.
Yeah. Daddy told you it's hot. Right?
It's fine. It's just for 1 hour.
Already.
2 hours.
How long are we gonna stay here?
2 hours.
Wow.
Almost 2 hours.
Everyone is here. There are less people downstairs. Who wants more?
Bawal ba?
Mommy,
Hindi
you look
daw,
beautiful.
Ay, thank you. You look pretty too, Ate Sam.
In the camera, you look like mommy, pero in here, you look orange.
Here?
Uh-uh.
Camera?
Sa ilaw kasi, Sam. Yung AI.
Oh, sige. I'm the last.
Over here. Youngest. Is your bind? So that's bread? Is that Doritos? What other was bread?
Diba it's your favorite? Okay.
Fried vegetable. Oh, it's very hot. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's fried.
Yellow dye. Mixed vegetable curry. That's curry basti.
Oh my gosh, it's my favorite. What's that? It's a pasty pink sauce.
Pasta with pink sauce.
All I need is one broccoli.
And then this thing. Pasta. Grilled vegetable with zucchini.
Something.
What are you having?
Hi.
What are you having?
Hi.
Sorry.
Okay.
Ay, ko na pala ng ibig.
Oh,
Nakakwento.
napakwento ka eh.
What I like the
And grilled chicken. It's grilled chicken.
Pork. Bala. Record. Bala, boy.
Okay, this one.
Bala.
Ay, mga mi. So, ito na. Tatry na natin yung mga pagkain nila dito. Ayan. Sila Ate Sam nakapag-ano na din. Nakapagkuha na din ng pagkain nila. Ayan. Hi Ate Sam. Daddy water daw. Ayan. Hi Basti. Hi Basti. Nagutom na agad sila. So, ito yung mga kinuha ko, mga mi. Halo-halo na. Hindi ko na alam yung mga ano. Basta may vegetable, curry, beef, tapos chicken, grilled chicken, tapos fish fillet yata itong isa. Tapos ito, mixed vegetable, and then this one is penne pasta, and kubos. Yan. Kain tayo.
That's moving.
Dapat nagdala ka na lang naman. Wala kang pantalo.
Can you see?
Magpapawis.
Gamit ko
One
eh.
back there is using it.
Huwag na, huwag na. Ikaw ang magpapawis na.
Oh, they're moving already.
I want ours to move already.
Yeah. Sabi nila 9 o'clock na sa atin. Ha?
Patient.
9:05 na.
Baka papaunahin lang. Tapos pag-ano.
So far, it's okay. Okay naman mga mi.
It's already 9.
vegetable curry. Iba ang lasa ng vegetable curry.
I told you it's already 9. Why is it not moving?
So, dito tayo sa beach.
You smell stink. That's why.
Or you keep smelling me then. I smell good then.
You stink. You stink of a fish.
Oh, you keep smelling
Stink of a fish.
Ang strong nung ano,
Smell like a mermaid.
ang strong nung lasa ng vegetable curry.
Smell like a whale.
Para siyang ano, para siyang kaldereta.
Mommy,
Pero,
Daddy, do you know that whale poop is
ano siya, spicy, tapos may mga additional herbs lang siya. Eh, sarap.
Well, they make it as perfume.
Really?
Yeah.
Before I make my fart lemon perfume.
Nag-i-start nang mag-move yung
I'm here
boat.
like that. Mommy, me video. Even this is shaking, mommy.
Yeah.
Ayun yung ano, mami. Ano ba yun? Ferris wheel ba yun? Basta yun. Look at that.
Call the Ferris wheel daddy.
Ano ba pangalan?
Hindi ko alam ah.
So maganda pala kung sa Ramada ka nakatira. No? Kaya pala mahal ng Ramada.
Asan?
Nakita ko rin yun. Ayun yung sa likod.
Wait, Basti, look, it's the Brookhaven boat.
Is it?
Yep. Let's see
another one.
if something's moving in Roblox and then you jump and then you fall off because it's moving. Let's see. It's true.
They're making a turn.
Oo nga no, akala ko kayod. Building yung tang makanta.
Pero hindi siya.
Yataya pala. Saya.
Ganda ng playground nila rin. Basketball court. They have a nice basketball court.
Let me see.
Kanya pa swimming pool.
Oh, they're a team.
They are really playing. Are you sure there's a playground here? I see no.
Baby, a nice life I go. We about to spend a day mellow. We party to the extremo, 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 extremo.
Dance.
Ritmo. Pero c'è rompemo. Lo proviamo il remo. Sto con lo stemo, baby. Baby, a nice life I go. We about to spend a day mellow. We party to the extremo, baby. C'è rompemo. Lo proviamo il remo. Sto con lo stemo, baby. Baby, a nice life I go. We might have been a dinero. We party to the extremo, 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 extremo.
Saka pala na lakaran rin.
Pwede pala maglakaw.
Oh, but you got me crying. Why should I be coming in the morning? Well, can make me feel the morning.
Why is people walking so fast?
Yan mga mi, ang ganda nung ano. Ang ganda.
Wait, mami. I'll take a photo of it.
Take a photo there. Basi, go and take a photo there with the ate Sam.
Hello, very attractive versus don't chill. There's a lot of training in your apple juice. No?
Ang sarap dito sa dito sa Dubai Dough Cruise. Okay naman din yung pagkain, pero yung kasi yung parang binabayaran mo dito yung scenery. Yung makikita mo. Grabe ang ang ganda ng mga building, mga nadadaanan ng building.
Hi guys, ayaw na ni Ma'am Chi sa Abu Dhabi. Gusto na niya sa Dubai.
So, ayan. Pangalawang araw na nang pumupunta ng Dubai. Dubai na lang palagi. Dati ayoko pumupunta sa Dubai kasi nakakaligaw. Ngayon parang gusto ko na siya. Kasi ang dami mong pwedeng gawin. Tsaka, kasi yung sa Abu Dhabi, medyo na din kami. Medyo sanay na din kami sa mga doon, sa mga pinupuntahan, ganon. So parang nagsasawa na din kami. Dito, sa Dubai. Dito sa Dubai, madami pa palang mapapasyalan na okay pa rin naman pala. Ganon.
Wait, why is it like
Ganda
you're
talaga.
going in a void and then that happens? Yeah! It looks like from the Star Wars!
Ah.
Pala yan.
Ito yung mosque, di ba?
The lights are so perfect!
Ay, Lemon Building ito. Kasantay ko. Ayaw na pala ka, no? Marina Mall. Ganda na yun.
I added that I would draw my followers' request, and then now there's a lot of
Meron kaming katabi na boat dito, mga Mona Lisa naman yung pangalan. Pero simple lang siya. Ayan, yate pala. Yate siya.
Well, that was fun. I'm gonna miss this again.
Really. Pumuna kami dito.
Yes, my place. My coldness.
Let's go, guys.